channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, make sure you hit the subscription button right down below and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. So this is my second video for the day, guys. We are about to walk to the Annandale waterfalls. Also, guys, if you have been a part of the channel for the longest, welcome back to you guys as well. I love you guys so much. We are about to start our walk from the Constantine Methodist School, and we're gonna head on over all the way to Annandale waterfalls. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, but if you haven't subscribed, please stop what you're doing and just hit that subscription button right down below. Let's go. I'm already feeling the nice, cool, chilly vibe by just walking in this area. I'm also already hearing the falls, the water from here, and I've been here before, but I haven't really swum or anything because, first of all, I am scared. It has like a big hole, and I'm scared of deep waters. I can save my life, but I cannot swim. So I don't try to go in places that I'm not too sure about. So over this side, as you guys can see, it's I would say a mini fall. Nothing much coming from it, but the area is cool still. And over there's the fall. Alright guys, so I was a bit scared to go down there, but also on the other side, I did not show you guys the other side. Well, the other side is more calmer, a bit calmer. As you guys could see on our right, look how beautiful it is though, guys. Really nice. On our right, there is a Willis Catholic Church, and then you can leave the hat there. There's a house over here. One of these days I'm gonna go down the side so that you guys can see what that side of Willis looks like. My handsome baby boy. Hi handsome. Kiss me. Over here is a house as well. And again, this is leading us up to the Annandale waterfall. I think I need to come one of these days and actually swim in this water. Well, not swim, but at least just to wet my foot or just to sit inside or something and not be afraid. Beautiful greens. I am a fan of nature. I love nature. I just feel like it's just everything. On our left side here is a nice orangish, creamish house as well. I took my hat off. The sun is in my face, but oh gosh. So we're almost there. They usually have like a guy with a monkey, but I'm not sure if he's gonna be here with the monkey because it's a Sunday. So let's see. There's Firebrooks Bank Drive. I gotta put my mask on just in case they're going to let us in. I heard that they also added like a bar up here and stuff, so I'm excited to see what that is like as well. I'm not a drinker, but I'm just excited to see the changes that they have. It says welcome to the King's Arm Bar. So over there's a King's Arm Bar, guys. So we're finally at the Annandale waterfalls, the Annandale waterfall and forest park. Alright, so they said that we could enter, which is good. Beautiful flower. They light these up at night. I wish I was here in the night. Looks really beautiful. What's the name of this tree? Does anyone know? What's the name of it? And just today I was talking to my dad and we passed this tree or plant, and I was like, look at how unique God is to make a plant just like this. You know, it has its green, but inside it has different colors. I saw somewhere it has like half of it is this color, and then the next half is green. It was really pretty. All right, moving on. I'm not sure where these steps leads you to, but hopefully before we leave we're gonna take a little walk up there to see what it's about. Okay. The lady said that the trails, she said the trails are not ready, so we should be careful. So my careful means we're not gonna go up there, so can't be too careful. I'm not gonna go up there at all. Are you guys hearing the beautiful sound of the the river? Nice plants. Again, this is beautiful scenery. Beautiful. Okay, so they also have these here that they light up in the night. At night, the place is just so cool, guys. Like really cool. It's a bit dark because we're under a lot of trees and stuff. I really wish that I was here in the night to show you guys how it looks, but let me give you guys a view of the falls. So over there's the bar, I see. Looking nice. This is another one. This one is beautiful as well. This one is beautiful as well. It's so pretty, guys. What's the name of this if you guys know? It's really nice. So they have the protocols here. I don't see anyone here, but anyways, over here is the restaurant and bar. The last time I came it wasn't like this, so it's really nice to see that they are trying to make the place look way better and so forth. It's a nice place to come and chill if you want to listen to the falls and stuff while you're just having a drink, or you are, you know, dining. It's beautiful inside there. Looking nice. It's also like a nice picture area where you could just take your pictures. I think I have to come up here. This is the upstairs. Looks really nice. My family and I need to come here. Okay, so I'm guessing if we had walked up the other stairs, it would have led us here. I'm not sure. And I guess we'd have maybe gotten a better view or something. So they used to have a rail here. I'm not sure if they're gonna do something to it, but they used to have a rail right here. Maybe they might be fixing it soon or something. The water looks very high to me from that angle. Nikita said it's not deep, and that area is deep, but to me that area looks deep as well. So usually they have people who jump from the top of there down in the water, or they might jump over that side to the bottom. I think I have a video too. If you guys are interested, you guys could check it out. I'll leave the link at the top of this video. Talk to the people. That's scary.
you go touch it me?
Mama touch it? Wait, okay, not that cool. It's beautiful though. Very, very beautiful.
Yeah, I can't afford to go in the water right now.
Safety. Count.
I know.
Safety.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Period. Alright guys, so that is the bar. We're leaving the bar now. Heading back up. It was a good little walk. This tree is beautiful as well. I'm just seeing this one. This one is really, really pretty. My mom would love to see this one. Somebody juice. Well guys, we're coming to the ending of this video. I know it wasn't a long video, but it's okay. Have more videos to come for you. So just stay tuned. In the meantime, enjoy the beautiful view once more. Alright guys, so we've come to the ending of my video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed filming this beautiful place for you. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. And once again, if you're new to my channel, welcome, 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 welcome. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscription button right down below and turn on that notification bell so that you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. Always remember to stay true to yourself because there's nobody in this world that is better than you. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. So tell a friend. To tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell a friend, like Anto say, to tell a friend to subscribe to her channel. Until next time guys, peace!